If you can draw a rectangle, you can design a house. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to draw a clean professional floor plan in SketchUp, step by step, even if you've never done this before. No complicated tools, no confusing settings, just a simple workflow that actually makes sense. By the end of this video, you have the complete floor plan with proper wall thickness, accurate dimensions, and room divisions, ready to turn into 3D model. First time on SketchUp Modeling Academy, you're in the right place. Tap the subscribe button to join the community as we explore creative ideas together. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out. Step 1. Start a new project. Choose a template with architectural meters, feet, millimeters, or inches, any of your choice. Click Start. Now you are inside your workspace. Let's delete this first. Click on Camera, Standard Views. Click Top. Now we are going to use a white background for the interface. To do that, click on Styles, click on Default Style. Let's use the white background. Now we're going to hide the axis. Click on View, click on Axis. This makes drawing floor plans much easier. Step 2. Draw the outer walls. Select the rectangle tool. Click once to start. Move your mouse. Type your dimensions. Let's have 9050, comma, space 8900. Press enter on your keyboard. Let's make some adjustments. Select the line. Make a copy of it. 2150. Then let's select this one, make a copy of 1550. Let's select this and copy 650. Select this and make a copy of 3150. Note, we are taking all these steps because of the shape of the plan we are sketching. Select this again, make a copy of 3.9. Then select this and make a copy of 450. Let's erase the unwanted part. We are going to erase this. Let's join this to this, then erase this line. Make a copy of 4500, then select here and make a copy of 1500. Join them together. Now we have the outer walls. If you don't know how to get started, that is opening SketchUp, setting the project unit, I made a video on how to do that. Check the description section, you will see a link to the video. And for the basic tools we are using to sketch this plan, if you don't know how to use all the basic tools, I also made a video on how to use those tools. Watch the video so you can follow along properly. Select it, use the offset tool and offset 150 millimeters. Select this, offset 150 millimeters. Select this and delete. We are done with the external wall layout. Step 4. Add internal walls. Now let's divide the spaces into rooms. We are going to use the line tools. Use the line tool and join this line here. We are going to use the same wall thickness. Now let's join this to this. So we have the living room. Here is the living room. Over here we have the bathroom. Select this line. Click the move tool. Make a copy of 1500. Select it. Add the wall thickness 150. Select this line here. Make a copy of 2000. Here 150. We have the closet and the bedroom. So here we have the veranda. Let's join this line. Over here we have the dining and the kitchen. Select this line. Make a copy of 2800. Make another copy of 150. Now we have the dining and the kitchen here. So what we need to do is to erase the unwanted parts. Select the surface and delete it. So you'll be left with the wall thickness only. Select it, delete it. Now let's use the eraser tool to delete some of this. Now we have the floor plan. Step 5. Add accurate measurements. Select the tape tool. Let's confirm the measurements. Alright, we have here 2.8. Here 3 meters. You'll see exact measurements. If something isn't correct, redraw the wall using typed dimensions. Now for this space here, we have a dotted line because here is the entrance. So for us to do that, select the line, right click, select divided, zoom closer, move along the line to create segments. You can type in the number of segments that you want. Let's type in 7 and press enter. These lines have been divided into 7 places. So what you need to do is to select it, delete it, select the next one, delete it, select the next one, delete it. Simple as that. This one, do the same thing. Select it, divide. Okay, let's use 14. Now select it, delete it. Select the next one, delete it. You repeat this same process for all the dotted lines. Over here, we have a column. Let's indicate it in the floor plan. We have 300 by 150. Let's increase this. This represents the column. Select it, make a copy, click on move, press Ctrl, make a copy of it. If there is any way you do not understand, leave it in the comments section. I will attend to it. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. This place is opened. Let's join the line and delete it. Step 6. Create door and window openings. Let's start from here. We have the entrance door here. Use the line tool and draw a line here. Select it. Use the move tool. Press Ctrl. Type 1200 millimeters. We have the next door here. Use the line tool. Make a copy of 900 millimeters. We have another door here. Do the same thing. 750. Here we have the wardrobe. We have a door here. Select it. Make a copy of 900. We have the kitchen door here. Select it. Make a copy of 900 too. Measure 950 here. The width of the window is 900. Then use the line tool and mark out the window. You can delete the guideline. 1050. Measure from here 900. So we have the second window. 1050. Delete the reference line. You can select this and make a copy of 900. Step 7. Clean up and organize. Delete extra lines. Make sure corners are connected. Let's delete this. Alright, now we have the door and window openings. Your floor plan should now look clean and structured. Now select the whole floor plan, right click, and group it. Click make a group. Step 7. Add the doors and the windows. We are going to use the line tool. Let's start with this window here. Sketch a line. You can modify it anyhow you want to. Okay, this represents the window. You can make any design of your choice. So we have to select it and group it. Select it, right click, make a component. Window 1, create it. So now we can copy this window to this other opening. We'll still copy to this side. Use the rotate tool, click on it, rotate. Let's copy to this place. Copy down here. So for this other window, what we need to do is to copy this and edit it. Right click, make unique. Right click again, edit component. Let's quickly edit it. Click on an empty space. We have the window here. For the door, use the line tool. Let's start with this door. Type in 900, 900 here. Type in 300 here. And let's use the arc. Pick a point here down to this place. Fine. Now pick a point here down to this place. Right. Now you can delete this line. You can create extra lines here. Fine, we have the door. Select it and make a component. We have door 1. Create it. So for these other doors, we'll do the same thing. Use the line tool. Pick a line from here, 900. Use the arc. Sketch from here to here. Then we have it here. We have the door. Select it and make a component. Door 2. Create. Now we are going to copy this door down here. Select it, make a copy. But it's swinging to this side. So we are going to use the flip tool. Select flip. Click on the green axis. We have it here. Let's copy this. Let's rotate it. Move it. Use the flip tool and flip along the green axis. This is perfect. For the walls, if you want to add wall pattern to it, you can select it, edit group, select, use the pen bucket, head over to patterns, then use the brick common face. Let's use this. We forgot to add a door here. Let's copy this, make a copy down here. Then let's use the scale tool and we scale it. Flip it. Now we have the floor plan. You can go ahead and save the project. In the next video, I'll show you how to furnish the layout professionally using SketchUp components. In subsequent videos, we will push these walls up, cut doors and windows properly, turn this model into a 3D house. So make sure you are subscribed. And that is it. You've successfully drawn your first floor plan in SketchUp step by step. If this video helped you, like the video, comment what you'd like to build next. Subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. See you in the next video.